Components of GIMP window. Now, learn the various components of GIMP window. Menu bar. It contains different menus such as File, Edit, Select, Image, etc. for doing various tasks.
Workspace. The workspace is the main area where you create, edit, and manipulate images.
Toolbox. It contains various tools that are used to create, edit, and enhance an image. Foreground or background colors. The color area shows GIMP's current foreground and background colors. Clicking on either one of them will open a color selector dialog box that allows changing to a different color. Clicking on the double-headed arrow exchanges the two colors, and clicking on the small symbol in the lower left corner resets them to a black and white. Tool options. This shows options from the currently selected tool. Image window. Each image in GIMP is displayed in a separate window. Many images can be opened at the same time. Ruler. Rulers are shown above and to the left of the image, indicating coordinates within the image. Layers palette. It is used to set order of visibility of the objects. Brushes, patterns, font tabs. This contains tabs that show the options from managing brushes, patterns, and fonts. Brushes tab is used for all tools that allow you to paint on the image, like erasing and smudging. Patterns tab is used in filling selected areas of an image. Fonts tab is used for text tool, whenever there is a requirement to change in font.